Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel PK Chemistry. In this lecture, we are going to discuss rearrangement to electron deficient oxygen. The first rearrangement is Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Oxidation is nothing but it's the addition of oxygen or removal of electron, or C double bond O bond or presence of peracid gives the ester product. Baeyer-Villiger oxidation is nothing but the ketone converted into ester, presence of ferracid. There are different ferracid used for the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. For example, peracetic acid PAA, perbenzoic acid PBA, metachloro perbenzoic acid MCPBA. The final one is trifluoro peracetic acid. These are the peracids used to synthesize the ester from ketone. Let's discuss the mechanism. Or C double bond O bond or peracetic acid, we can write C double bond O bond O bond O bond H. Okay. So this electron will attack the carbonyl position. What you will get is or C bond O minus bond or bond O C double bond O bond R. So the next step is migration of R group to electron deficient oxygen. So this bond comes here automatically. This group migrate to oxygen. This goes as a RCOO minus. So what you will get is R bond C double bond O bond O R. You will get a ester plus or C double bond O bond OH. Let's discuss the migrating aptitude of this Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. In the alkyl group, the migration is tertiary is preferable than the secondary. The secondary is preferable than the primary than the methyl. At the same time, aryl group, the electron donating group which migrates faster than that of electron releasing group. For example, orthomethoxyphenyl is preferable than the phenyl. Phenyl is preferable than the paranitrophenyl. If you compare aryl and methyl or primary alkyl, the aryl group is more preferable than that of methyl group. Let's discuss this example. It's a chiral compound. Presence of acid, the ketone converted into ester. The chiral compound, it gives the retention configuration of the product. Let's discuss this example. This is acetophenone, presence of ferracid. This is perbenzoic acid. In these two groups, which will migrate? Phenyl will migrate, right? PH bond O, C double bond O, bond CH. Just look at where the electron density is more. For in this case, this is electron withdrawing group. This is phenyl. So phenyl is more preferable than that of para-nitrophenyl. So what is your answer? So next step is trifluoroferracetic acid. Okay. Here symmetrical. You can insert oxygen any one places. So here is nothing to worry. Just insert the oxygen. Look at this one. Metachloroperbenzoic acid. Ketone converted into ester. So where we can insert the oxygen, here or here? Here the electron density is more, so we can insert here. We got a ester product. Look at this example, cyclopentadecanone. If you oxidize, what you will get the product? You will get a ester product. Diketones also undergo the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, presence of ferroacid. What you will get is CH3 bond C double bond O, O C double bond O bond CH3. You will get a anhydride product. Let's take this example. Diketone, presence of ferroacid. This diketone will not undergo the Baeyer-Villinger oxidation because this diketone undergo the ionization and form a hydrogen bonding. CH3 bond C bond OH double bond CH bond C double bond O bond CH3. So it will form a hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is nothing but the hydrogen between the two electronegative atom. After forming this hydrogen bonding, this lost the ketone identity. So Baeyer-Villiger oxidation does not occur in the case of 1,3-diketones. Let's discuss few more example. This is a tertiary, this is a primary. So migration of tertiary is preferable than the primary. You will get a N3C bond O, C double bond O bond methyl. You will get a ester product. In this case, just insert the oxygen between the ketone and methyl. In this case, methyl and cyclic propane. So if you compare these two, the cyclic group is preferable than the methyl. CH3, C double bond O, then cyclic propane. In this case, bicyclic compound, where the electron rich, if you compare this carbon and this carbon, here is a tertiary, here is a secondary. Tertiary is preferable than the secondary. Just insert the oxygen here. So if you like this video, share with your friends. I will be back with another rearrangement reaction. Thank you.